Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and me and the family are on a little hike today at the waterfall trail. It says it's only a mile up, so should not be too bad. Hopefully it says the turnaround time, I looked it up, it's like 45 to 55 minutes. So let's hope, it's not too hard of a hike. It's our first thing that kind of doing here in Arizona. First hike here, for me at least. I think Rose's been on a hike, but yeah, yes, here we are. This is me before the hike. I'll show y'all me during the hike. I want to do a little review for y'all. So yeah. You can't eat the sunglasses. Okay, so I think we're probably like halfway up kind of now, because now the paved road went off, and I think it said paved for like 0.4 miles. So I think we have like 0.6 more up. So now the road turned dirt. But honestly, it's been a chill little hike. Like, it's not super hard. It's pretty easy. But you still get a nice little walk, nice little workout in. So I'm not mad at it. So yeah. I'm feeling good. You feeling good, babe?
Good.
Good. Yes, it's so beautiful.
I ain't in yet. Got to go in.
Okay, so the waterfall is, of course, we're in Arizona desert, so it's mainly dried up. So it's really just a puddle of water left. But it's beautiful. We made it to the top. You made it to the top, Cam. You made it to the top, Cam.
You have to explain.
So you gotta squeeze by these little things to get to the top. But
Don't worry about you going down, please.
I'll be all right. So we made it to the top of that hike. Honestly, it was good. A good little workout. A few areas got steep, but not bad. So yeah, if y'all interested in hiking, this one, if y'all beginners, wasn't bad. So now we're gonna lay down. 1 mile up, 1 mile down. I'm not completely out of breath. All right, I'll check in with y'all in a minute. We made it all the way down the hike. I would rate it a 10 out of 10 for the experience. As far as difficulty, 4 out of 10. Very much beginner hikers, very much beginner walkers can do this hike. And I would recommend it. So if you're in Arizona looking for a hike to do and you're new, or you just want to get active or whatever, definitely recommend the waterfall trail at White Mountain Park. So yeah. Okay, the park is called White Tank Mountain Trail Park. It's a national park. It does cost $10 to get in to the park. However, 2 things today. So one, Roosevelt, he's in the military, so we would have got in free anyway. But then somebody paid it forward anyway, so they just told us to go in because the person in front of us paid. So that was very nice. So anyways, just facts. It did take about 45 minutes round trip up and down. So not bad at all. So